friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable box today. This is my fourth Wantable box. 1, 2, 3, 4. First two, meh. Third one, pretty great. So this is my fourth one. Wantable has a $20 styling fee. You can do it on demand. You can do it like a subscription, but I just do it on demand for whenever I want. So you go on, you request it, and you do a $20 styling fee. Whatever you keep from that box, that $20 goes towards. So yeah, here is our bundle today. We have some nice pinks. I did request a few things on Wantable. They have what's called the stream, and you slide through. What is that? Scroll. You scroll through the stream and you can like decline stuff or request things on it. So some of my requests are in here. So let's just get right into it. If you're new to my channel and you like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Now we got that out of the way. Also, if you want to try Wantable, I'll put my link below and you can try for yourself. Let's see. So they send you the mailer. It just goes right in the, U.S. Postal Service post office. And they have like your little style note. Your closet is going to thank you. And it has the items on this side, but I don't really want to look at them yet because Wantable, you can't cheat. You can't go on and like look at what they're sending you in advance, and so it's like torture for me. So, hi Rachel. I hope you're doing well and enjoying the warmer weather. I'm loving all the sunshine. Thanks for taking some time to request items from the stream. You picked some lovely pieces for the season. I sent tanks, shorts, and tie-dye. I did say that I really like the tie-dye trend. Be sure to let me know what you love and don't love, or if you have something specific we can work on together for your next edit. Make sure you take some time for yourself. You deserve it. Enjoy, Christina. And then they have like a little picture of your stylist right there too. So I don't remember if I had Christina last time or not, but here we go. Oh, I do have the fan on today. I'm sorry if that's on the background noise, but I don't have central air, so I need to have the fan on or else bad things would happen. I'm going to set that there so we can go over the prices at the end. So first thing, let's see, gray blue one, just by Lovapella. Does it have names on it? I can't remember. It doesn't really have names on it. It's by Lovapella. I think I might have requested this one. So it's a swing tank. It's kind of like the swing tank I kept from the last box. And this kind of pretty like pastel blue with orange. So I'm just, I need tank tops. The next thing, I don't think I requested this. What are you? Oh, okay. So this is a tank top as well, and it's like kind of cropped. It's got the polka dots on it. It has a tie right here. It's a V-neck. Are you stitched? No. Okay. So there's like one of those little tabby buttons right there. Watch me break it. Anyway, there's a tab button right there. Kind of reminiscent of a onesie. So, okay, we'll try that. It is definitely cropped. We'll see. We'll see how that does. Here's some tie-dye. I did request this one. This is by Democracy in an extra large. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Pink tie-dye. It has a little cutout there. It has the cuffed sleeves. If you can tell, cuffed sleeves. You guys. We're just moving right along. This is a great box so far, mostly because it's probably because there's stuff in there that I requested. Also some tie-dye. Look at that one. Would you look at that? So this one's a little bit boxier, obviously. It has a tie in the front. Kind of dolman-y. But I think that could be really pretty too. It's like a sunset. It's like a beautiful ocean sunset. And what are you? Oh, you're a dress. Okay. I don't think I requested this. Pink dress. I'm feeling the pink lately. If you guys watched my fashion video, I kept that pink dress from that one. So I don't know if I need a pink dress, but we'll try it on. Has a nice little side tie there, it looks like. What is this by? This is by Skies Are Blue. I don't know if I read that last one, but I'll read all the names when we look at the invoice, but I don't want to know all the prices. But that could be cute. And I didn't request any pants, but this, I wonder if they watched my Stitch Fix videos, because Vigoss, I'm obsessed with Vigoss jeans lately, so I could be in trouble. So this is the Vigoss Jagger short. It looks like it's like a Bermuda short length. Has that cutoff hem, that raw hem there. Could be in trouble because I think those usually are like $58 or so. And then we have Democracy, and a 16W. I've been wearing a 16W for like that little bit of extra like roominess in them. I could probably go down to a 14W now because I have lost a little weight, but we'll see. Once you wash them, they get tight again. So this is Democracy. I'm just rambling on. Absolution. So my camera battery just died. Featuring slimming panels is what I was going to say before it got slightly cut off. We'll see how I do that in editing. I don't know. You might not even notice, but so it really does have that stretch. So these are nice, like dark blue, definitely Bermuda, cuffed down there. They might be a little too long for my liking, but we're gonna try it all on. Here we go. Here we have the first outfit. This is the Lavapella tank. I really like that kind of soft blue color. And then I'll pan down on the shorts in a second. But it's probably like the same style as that yellow one I just kept from that one, my last Wantable box. And I'll link my last Wantable box up here. But here it is tucked in to the jeans. I think the jeans are too big. The shorts, I'm gonna say, I think they're a little too big, which is a good thing, I guess. They're also, I think, a little too long for my liking. I don't know. They're okay. They're not bad. They have this like little slit right there on the side, which is like already starting to want to turn up. Yeah, they're not my favorite. I'm not a huge fan of the Bermuda because I feel like it just makes my legs look shorter anyway. But I'll leave these on for the next few tops and just, you know, make sure of my feelings for them. Well, let's do the next top. All right, here it is. It's actually kind of cute for like kind of like a little sexier, maybe like summer date night. What is that? Kind of top. I don't hate it. It's kind of cute. So it does actually have a tie right here that you can make this looser or tighter as you need it. So I did have to pull it kind of tighter so it wouldn't gap right there. It's actually kind of cute. I don't know why I'm like super surprised. I am fidgeting with it right now, but I just put it on. Bear with me. It can, you know, it does kind of show the midriff a little bit, but I have some higher waisted stuff. Like this is high waisted. I could wear this with. It's actually cute. Okay, this might be a keeper. I definitely like this better than the blue tank top I just had on. It's kind of cute. Okay, let's do the next one. Here we have the pink tank top, not tank top, t-shirt. Too many tank tops. I forgot to show you too, it has this twist on the bottom. So it's got a lot going on. It's got the twist, it's got the keyhole here, it has the cuff sleeves, it's got the tie-dye. We're kind of just like mixing all our trends with this one. I like this one. I think it's nice, comfy, casual. I could probably wear it, you know, I could wear it to work, I think, with like, you know, my slacks. Hate that word. I think it's cute. I tucked my necklace over here because I wouldn't wear my R necklace with this. Got my mirror over here. If this is your first time here, hey, that's my mirror. I think it's cute. This is a maybe. It's a maybe. I like the pink. I am surprised at how much I like that black polka dot tank. So this is a maybe. It is really nice, really soft, really light, really comfy. All right, let's do some more. I'm gonna put the other shorts on. Here's the other tie-dye. I think I like this tie-dye better than the pink one. What do you guys think? I kind of like the pattern of it. I like the tie. You could tuck the tie in if you wanted. do like a cute little front tuck. I have the shorts on. I wouldn't even say they're Bermuda shorts. I don't know what they are. Let's pan down on those. Yeah, I like this tank top. Or why do I keep calling everything a tank top? I like this tie-dye better. Let's pan down. See if our light will come back. There it is. Okay, so this goes right to my knee. And I'm not in love with it. I don't love it. Let me go up just a little bit. So, I mean, they are comfortable. They have that stretch. They have real pockets in the front and in the back. So that's nice. But they just make my legs look so short. And I don't need help in that area because they're already short. So, these are a no. But I'm thinking I like this. I think I like this t-shirt a little bit better than that pink one. Alright, we just have the dress to try on. I'm starting to get sweaty. It's getting sweaty up here. Okay, here's the dress. Not good. Not good on the stomach. If it were a flowy dress like I always ask for, not these like fitted things, I would like it. But it's a pretty color. I do like the tie here. I didn't tie it tight or anything, but because that just makes it worse. But it's a pretty color. It's really soft. It's stretchy. If you like these kind of dresses, you could request it. But it's kind of like a ribbed material, if you can see. Get a little closer. Ribbed kind of material there. Top part's nice. If this were a shirt, like if this were a shirt and this was where it ended, that'd be cute. But no. No to the dress. So, okay, let's go over prices. So, that was a good box. You know, I didn't love everything in it, but you're not always going to love everything in it. So, oh man. Okay, the Muse Daddy Tank in Black XL was $49. It's by Z Supply. I don't know if I like it $50 worth. I don't know how much wear I would get out of it. I'm mad. The extended cap sleeve, scoop neck, tie hem, printed tie-dye shirt, the Ocean Sunset one, is by Democracy, and it's $48. I do think I would get more wear out of that because I would definitely wear that to work. The other one I think was too low for work, and you guys are going to say, just wear a cami under it. I just don't like that on me. The cutout scoop neck twist hem tee by Democracy, the pink tie-dye, is $44. The tie front tee dress in pink by Skies Are Blue is $48. The printed swing tank in gray, blue, orange print by Lovapella is $44. The Absolution The Absolution Bermuda shorts in indigo by Democracy are $74. No. I gotta fan myself. I had to turn the fan off while I was doing the try-on portion because I have to move my light and it's like right by the fan because my ceilings are super short, and so I can't have the fan on during the try-on portion, so I'm very, very verklempt right now. Okay, the Jagger Freyhem Bermuda in medium wash by Vigoss are $58. So those are both Bermudas, and I'll just have to leave feedback. I don't like Bermudas. So if you keep 5 or more items, you get 20% off. So the merchandise total for the 7 items is $365. Discount $73 minus sales tax plus sales tax $1134. I do have credit right now. So if I kept everything, it would be $200.34 because I have some credit from all you lovely ladies, maybe a gentleman, signing up with my link. I really appreciate it. So if I kept everything, it'd be $200. But I think I might only keep that Ocean Sunset shirt. I don't know. I really like the black and white one. I'll have to try it on with some other things. I don't know. It's between those two. I'm really only trying to keep things I love because my closet is like growing, and I think I might do a video of like a closet clean out. I have Poshmark too that I like list items on my Poshmark. If you want to check that out, it's eyebrow06. But yeah, I got some thinking to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like and subscribe if you like this video, and you like these kind of videos, and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to leave my link below. I got my Stitch Fix link below. I got my Fashion link below. I got my Poshmark link below. I got my Adore Me link below. I got stuff. I got stuff down there. Check it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.